So essentially, there is a suction that is happening between the gel top coat, the adhesive tab, and the nail. That's what keeps the tabs on longer. Can my press-on nails really last longer with this hack? We're about to find out. Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raven and I am a fashion stylist and content creator. But on my channel, I do fashion hauls, fashion lookbooks, press-on nail reviews, and travel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, okay? We are doing a nail hack that I have seen on the internet. So a nail specialist, a nail artist, if you will, that I follow, the Editorial Nails, said an amazing hack to keep your press-on nails on longer, especially with glue tabs, which y'all know I am not a glue tab girl, honey, okay? I love me some just regular glue, okay? Is to do a gel coat first, then add the gel tab. So I'm gonna show you the whole process, and I'm gonna wear these for about a week, and then we're gonna come back and see if these really stood up, if they popped off, if they stayed on, how they really lived up to the test, because I'm a little skeptical. I don't like glue tabs, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see. And I hope that they're not just like hovering above my nail, because that will not be cute. So let's just get into this tutorial / nail hack and see if it's really giving or not. First, I'm gonna prep my nails by cutting and filing them down because they have gotten long, honey. Next, I'm gonna buff my nails in preparation for the gel base. Next, wipe off any excess residue or oils with a cotton round soaked in alcohol. Today, I'm gonna be using the Beetles Foundation Base Gel. And to cure my nails, I'll be using this Hey Paz LED nail lamp. It is linked in my Amazon storefront. I applied a thin layer of the base gel to my nail and let it cure for 90 seconds. I chose these butterfly nails from Shein, which were in my last Shein nail haul. After I sized all of my nails, I gently filed the inside with my nail drill to give the adhesive tab just a little bit more grip. This nail drill will also be linked in my Amazon storefront. Now it's time to size the adhesive tabs and see which ones work perfectly for each nail. I then applied the adhesive tab, held down for a few seconds, then peeled off the protective plastic piece and applied it to my nail, and then pressed down for another about 30 seconds to make sure that the nail was adhered properly and for long-lasting wear. I then repeated the process for the remaining nails. Once all the nails are applied, I use this matte top coat to make sure the butterflies would not rub off. I again cured it under the lamp for 90 seconds. And voila, the nails are all applied. I'll be sure to link everything that I used in this video and these nails in the description box below. Okay, so first impressions, we literally just finished putting them on. It looks like I have on press-ons, and I pride myself, okay, in being one of those people that I get so many compliments on my nails and people are surprised that I have on press-ons. So the fact that these look like press-ons, I'm bummed out. I kind of knew that this was going to happen because I've tried the glue tabs before in the past and they just kind of like raise up a little too high for my liking. It's not on all of them. So I don't know what I did on some of them that I didn't do on the other ones. I tried to keep the gel coat as even as possible, but yeah. I think that this is not going to work for me long term because I do have very long nail beds. So the glue tabs do not even take up my whole nail. So like, they're just very, like, they're on there, but I can move them. Like, and I don't want to be able to just like move my nail. Like they are on there. Y'all, I'm kind of skeptical. We're going to go out tonight and see how they stand up. I am now thinking about it, a little worried, because what if one of these things pops off? Okay, glue is real quick. Doop, doop, doop. Put it back on, press it for like 30 seconds and you're good to go. Trying to get that little tab out with these nails, it's going to take forever. And who has forever to pop on a press-on nail in public? Not I. Okay? So we're going to come back tonight and we're going to see. I don't know if these will last a week. Not the way these is looking. These is going to have to come off. But we're going to give them the test of time tonight and see how they work. If you do have smaller nail beds, which is 99% of y'all, okay? This should work for you because, like I said, it is on here, honey. So essentially, there is a suction that is happening between the gel top coat, the adhesive tab, and the nail. That's what keeps the tabs on longer. I just don't like the look of them with the tabs. I think I'm going to be a glue girl. I might try to do a gel top coat and maybe like sand it down a little bit and then put the glue on. That I might try that maybe in another video. But yeah, I don't like the way these look. Like, not the nails, but I don't like how they look on my fingers. Like I said, it's just giving press on. And I don't want it to give press on. So we're going to come back. We're going to come back and see what's happening. Stay tuned. Sis, this was a fail for me, okay? I think if the nail tabs really just like spanned my nail beds, it would be great. But them things were moving. So it was hard for me to do anything because I felt like one was just about to pop off at any moment, even though they felt like sturdy, if that makes sense. Like, they didn't feel like they were going to come off, but they were moving. Okay, so it was like they're not gonna just pop off, but it kept moving like back and forth. So trying to grab things, even just going through my purse, was like skating on thin ice. Okay, we were skating on thin ice with these nails. I just wish they made maybe like longer nail tabs. Maybe it would work for me. I ended up just like popping them off, which was great because anytime I need like a temporary nail situation, maybe for some content or whatever, great solution because I can just boop, 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 boop. But to last like past an evening or a day, not for me. It's not for me. So try this, especially if you have smaller nail beds than I do. Try this. Again, the suction was there. I just had too much air around the suction to keep the nail in place without it moving too much. But they were feeling very fragile. Very fragile. Like, one wrong move and that thing would have popped off. And it was very hard for me to like grip things and all of that. So I was like, if I try to even bring these tabs with me in case one of them pops off, this ain't gonna work. It's not gonna work. But again, I'll leave all the steps and all of the tools that I used in this video in the description box. Thanks for watching, sis. Do let me know if you've ever tried this hack or if you will be trying this hack. Again, if you got long nail beds, this may not be for you. Just may not be for you. Since you made it to the end of this video, you might as well join the tribe of baddies on a budget. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. So until next time, sis, watch this video that was picked specifically for you.